Have you ever found out the person you trusted most was lying to you? I did. The day I died, I saw the truth. My son poisoned me on my 30th birthday. But when I opened my eyes, I was 18 again. He was right there, smiling beside my bed. "Good morning, Father," he said. His voice was sweet, but his eyes were cold. I knew his secret now. He wanted my money, my company, my life. In my first life, I gave him everything. I died blind and stupid. In this second life, I will watch him. I will learn every lie. I will stop him before he stops me. The game starts again, but this time, I know the rules. My name is Tariq. In my first life, I was a successful man. I built a big company. I had a large family home and a lot of money. I thought my son, Karim, was my greatest blessing. I trusted him with everything. I signed the inheritance papers when he was only 25. I gave him control of the company. I thought he loved me. But he didn't. He was waiting for me to die. I remember my 30th birthday party in my first life. It was a big reunion at our family home. Everyone was there. Karim gave me a special glass of wine. "To the best father," he said. I drank it. Hours later, I felt pain in my chest. I collapsed on the floor. As my eyes closed, I saw Karim standing over me. He was not calling for help. He was smiling. Then everything went black. Now, I am 18 again. It is 10 years before my death. Karim is only 8 years old. He is a child with a sweet face. But I know what he will become. I see the future in his innocent eyes. It is a terrible secret. I have foreknowledge of my own murder. How can I love a son who will kill me? How can I live in this house with him? I start to watch him closely. Every day, I look for signs of the cold man he will be. One afternoon, I find him in the attic. He is looking at old family photos. He sees a picture of my father. "Who is this, Father?" he asks. I tell him it is his grandfather. He looks at the expensive watch in the photo. "I want that watch someday," he says. His voice is greedy, even at 8. A chill runs down my spine. The seed of betrayal is already there. I must change it. But how? Do I punish him for a crime he has not yet committed? Years pass. I try to be a different father. I spend more time with Karim. I teach him about work, about honesty. I hope to change his heart. When he is 18, I make him take a blood oath. We cut our fingers and press them together. "You must always protect this family," I tell him. "Promise me." He promises. I want to believe him. But the greed is still there. I see it in small ways. He gets angry when I say no to money. He argues about the will. "Why can't I have control now?" he shouts one day. I am old enough. I look into his eyes and see the man from my first life. The oath means nothing to him. The big test comes at a family dinner. My brother, my sister, and their children are all here. It is a reunion. I announce that I am changing the inheritance. I will not give everything to Karim. I will share it with his cousins. I want to teach him that family is more than money. Karim's face turns dark. He does not shout. He smiles. It is the same smile from my deathbed. Of course, Father, he says quietly. You know best. But later that night, I hear him on the phone in the garden. He is talking to a lawyer. Find a way, he whispers. The old man is trying to cut me out. We need a plan. My heart breaks. The oath is broken. The betrayal is coming. I have foreknowledge, but I feel helpless. He is my son. Can I really destroy him before he destroys me? I decide to act. I cannot wait for him to kill me again. I start to move my assets. I hide money in secret accounts. I change the company's legal structure. I make my brother the new heir. I am rewriting my fate. Karim notices the changes. He becomes more aggressive. He follows me. He watches me. One day, he confronts me in my study. What are you doing, Father? He asks. His voice is calm, but his hands are shaking. You are pushing me away. I look at him. I see the little boy in the attic and the killer at my birthday. They are the same person. I know what you are, I say. My voice is cold. I know what you will do. His eyes widen. You know nothing, he says. But I see the fear. He knows I am not the blind fool from before. I have the foreknowledge. I have the power. The final move is public. At the next company meeting, I stand up and expose his secret plans. I show the emails to the lawyer. I show the hidden bank accounts. The room is silent. Karim's face is white. He is caught. He looks at me with pure hate. You are not my father, he spits. You are a monster. But I am not the monster. He is. I am just a man who got a second chance. I saved myself. I saved my family. The inheritance is safe. The estranged son is gone. I did what I had to do. Karim left the house that day. He took nothing. I never saw him again. Some people say I was too hard on him. But they did not see him smile when I died. They did not hear his plans to steal my life. I used my second chance to protect what mattered. I learned that love is not enough. You must also be wise. You must see the truth, even when it hurts. Foreknowledge is a heavy gift. It shows you the pain before it happens. But it also gives you the power to change it. I changed my fate. I broke the cycle of betrayal. My family home is peaceful now. The heirloom watch is in a safe place. The will is fair. I am alive. That is my victory. Remember, trust, but always watch. Sometimes the biggest threat is the one smiling beside you.